Hi guys, in this video we're going to see XLOOKUP two-dimensional. So basically two-dimensional means this is the one dimension and this is a second dimension. Let's see how it's going to work. I'm going to write the formula here, XLOOKUP, and then my search key would be mango. So I'm going to write mango, then comma. Now what is my search range is this, comma, I'm going to write one more XLOOKUP because this is two-dimensional, right? So that is why I will require two XLOOKUPs. So this lookup is for this range. So from this range, I would need a month. Let's assume Jan, comma, the range, the search range is this, right? Comma, the result range. This is the result range, right? So I'm going to close the parentheses very carefully and then hit enter. Now let's see what has happened. So I was looking for mango and then this was a search range, and then the second lookup searching for Jan for a mango value which is 15. So this is how two-dimensional lookup works. You can do similar exercise for Feb, March. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you.